at least we're not.
Yep.
你做咩着呢條褲啊？俊俊冇拉鏈，你真係瞓覺全部着晒落個色都唔知。
Okay.
拜拜，小心啊嚇 ，love you，OK， 小心啊。
Off to the airport, a couple things, but surprise guest. We're joined by Nicole.
Hi.
Somehow found her way here. Who would have known? This actually wasn't even planned, to be honest.
He followed me.
This isn't true. I actually booked the flight, but somehow we're on the same flight. We're going to Vegas, and got the fam in the back. All right, it's way too early. How many hours of sleep did you get?
2.
We had 3. Let's just get on with this. Okay, so just a couple takeaways here. Number 1, when you're traveling, I feel like TSA pre-check is like a 10 out of 10 must. Literally took like 5 minutes to get through, $85, last 5 years. It's a cheat code. It's not even close to get through TSA. 2, do not forget your AirPods or headphones when you're traveling. It's worse than like going to the gym, because I've got a 6-hour flight to Vegas. No idea what I'm gonna spend those 6 hours doing. Probably just gonna sleep. And number 3, third takeaway before we take off here. Luckbox collection is out. We're rocking it. It's actually launching today, so I'm posting an Instagram post, but today it actually is out. So it's really cool to kind of rock everything. We've got a bunch of stuff ready for the Vegas trip, and I'm gonna be rocking it on every single live stream and every single session I play. So if you want to grab it, want to help support the channel, the link is in the description below. I don't know, I'm a big fan of it. Luck, little box around it. If you know, you know. But we are gonna board sometime soon. Let's go to Vegas. Worst case scenario, we can always just get one of these Mickey Mouse or Toy Story headphones, I guess. Always an option, I guess, if we ever run out of the AirPods, but I think we're gonna suffer, not buy the Toy Story ones for now. But anyways, on to the flight. Landed and just checked into the Airbnb, and it's time to give you guys just a little bit of a tour of this place where I'm going to be staying for like the whole month. And yeah, I'm still pretty gross, still need a shower, but this is going to be the little living room. It's nice. It's a pretty cute spot, to be honest. I'm in a condo complex, and I think this is going to be where I'm going to be streaming most of the WSOP tournaments. I'm not entirely sure. Maybe here, maybe on the couch. It's really comfy, to be honest, but got mattress foams here, little kitchen ball, and to show you guys where I'm kind of at, you might be able to see the win. Oh, as in you will definitely be able to see the win because we are right next to it. It's like a 4-minute drive, 2-minute walk away, and yeah, let's show you guys the setup. You got one room. Bedroom number 1 here. Oh, let me show you guys the setup too. This is the new vlogging setup. It actually looks legitimate. Here's my grossness because I just got out of the airplane and I feel disgusting, but very legit like vlogging camera setup. Almost like I'm a real vlogger now, but bedroom number 1, I think I'm gonna claim this one. Got bathroom here. Already destroyed the bathroom anyways. We're cutting out, but the lighting is phenomenal, by the way. This is actually great. And then down the hall, mirror number 2, room number 2. It's nice, king size beds, and what is this? A personal bathroom? Oh, do I have to take this? This is the master. Crap. I wanted the other room. I actually had all my stuff set, but the fact that you have your own shower and everything means I should probably take this room, take the view of the win, You got a massive, massive mirror here for some stuff. Alrighty. Anyways, this is it. I'm gonna go get ready. Probably gonna get food for Nicole and her family, and start just getting stuff together. Gotta go to the grocery store. Gotta get some food and stuff. I'm gonna be here for a whole month, so I gotta do some adulting stuff before we get into the degenerate gambling. But another thing I actually wanted to show you guys, I wanted to do this. So apparently Resorts World has this thing. You can actually see it, it's wicked close. Resorts World here, gonna have to walk there eventually, but they're giving away $150 for free if you deposit $1,000 into making an account or a player bonus or whatever it is. So a bunch of people have been taking advantage of that. I popped a pimple, which is why I'm bleeding all over the place. Gross. All right, gonna get my shit together. Hopefully get a free $150 today at Resorts World and go from there. Welcome to taking advantage of the free rolls here. 0 money in and 400 out.
Wait, how come I can't?
Nicole, you gotta teach me how to do this. What is this gambling thing? Why can't
It's a secret.
why don't I know how to gamble like a normal person?
Because you're not smart.
No. You're just not Asian enough to scheme the casino system to get
Exactly.
Talk about more of a flex than having a whole line of Rolls Royces all the way down. Absolutely ridiculous. But oh shit, hi. We're here at Resorts World, ready to get some money. Some free money. Free 150. So excited. So excited. Also want to see the poker room. Everyone's been really happy with how the poker room's run, and the poker room director also ran Boston Harbor Encore, so might hop in, see what the room looks like. You'll definitely see a vlog sometime soon on the Rampage channel, but now, time to find a way to figure out how to deposit $1,000, get a free 150, and we're gonna put that 150 and double it in a blackjack hand or baccarat hand, and then double that 150 again, hopefully to turn this 150 to like 900? I don't know, we'll find out. 1,000 in, 11, focus, 1179 out. Bag secured, 1179 total, put in 1,000, and free $150. So simple. All you literally have to do, you walk in through here, this little booth area, and then the cage, literally right there. So, cross hallways, took like 15 minutes, and if you're in Vegas, or whenever, I don't know how long this promo is going to give out, because they keep giving out free $150 to everyone. So if you're around, literally just go through the booth, wait 15 minutes, sign up, you give them your social, and give them all your information, sell your soul, but you get $150, money's money. That's it. Bag secured, goal accomplished. Let's go gamble.
Oh my god, that was $6,000.
Hey, you gotta make a contract, she gets a cut, right?
Yeah, she will.
But you can drink though. There's a lot of money right there.
Oh, it all adds
There's a lot
up.
of money right there.
Oh, that would have been so sick.
Oh, I want to hit the 10 grand.
Yeah, if you open everything up, you can $10 grand.
The moment I started pulling out the camera, you missed. Very camera shot.
66. Alright. 66.
120, 140.
I like 20xing my money. This view looks so sick. This Las Vegas sign, unreal. Yeah, so that's gonna wrap up day one of the vlog, potentially. I'm not really sure. This sign looks so fucking cool. Anyways, I'm gonna be here for a whole month. We've got personal vlogs on deck, so I'm gonna run into a lot of different vloggers, meet up with Bogez, I'm sure, Johnny Vibes, hopefully Nimi, and see some familiar faces if you watch the poker vlogs. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. A lot of shit show going on. We're here for all month of July, so I'm here for the 4th of July. I'm sure a lot of things going on, but yeah, so stay tuned for future vlogs. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.